Welcome to another caravan video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing a caravan cover. So I went to Towsure in Sheffield and got a caravan cover. Also picked up a few extra things as well. So what I'll do is I'll get this out of the car. So here it is. It's a Towsure caravan cover, so I'll bring the camera in closer and we'll get this thing unboxed. So you might be wondering, it's height of summer, do we need a caravan cover? So, yes you do, really. You need a cover all year round because caravans attacked not just by wind and rain and snow, but the sun does its thing as well. And it shows you the various features. It's got spiral covered zips. It covers the 4-ply hitch cover. There's a storage bag for it. There's reflective blazes, as they're called, reflective strips. It's got hooded vents for additional ventilation. It has adjustable straps, quite handy. Breathable membrane. And it's a 4-ply fabric which is water resistant, UV protection. There you go, that's what I meant by damage from the sun. Soft and breathable. Now there's various sizes available. So I'll show you how you work out the size. So it just so happens that I have the handbook for it, which is helpful, but there's a website called gocaravanning.com which gives you all your specifications. Now everything's listed here. Mine's the Saturn. What you need is the internal length, and the reason being is the caravan, the size of the cover you want is the length of the actual caravan body itself, and you don't go to the A-frame and hitch. Now if we go back to the handbook, it shows the internal length 15 foot, so you need to allow a bit extra for the thickness of the caravan walls and such like, and you find one that's sort of a bit more, and now you can see the different sizes here. So mine being internally 15 foot, you need something a little bit more, say I had an extra foot. And I did actually speak to the people at Towsure, very helpful people, and they said to get this one, the TCC 21, 14 to 17 foot, so that'll fit mine. And there's a label there. There we go, the TCC 21, 14 to 17 foot, which should be right, because you measure the length of the caravan body, you don't include the A-frame and the hitch. So I better keep the handbook safe. I'll put that away. Time to get this bad boy open. In fact, I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll put you on the tripod. Right, now's the time to open it. What I'll do, tip the box inside and take it out like this. We've got a hitch cover as well, that's included, which is bad. I've got a hitch cover, that'll probably fit a bit better, so let's take this out the bag. I think I'll probably put you somewhere where you can see me. I'll just do it out here, unroll the hitch out here, so move you guys to a better position. Sorry about the shadow and the light, and I've got the sun behind me. That T-type. Yeah, just like the previous cover. Right, you can see how it's folded now. The old cover's folded in half, folded up then. So, I'll just quickly show you what it's a 4-ply material, breathable, keeps water in, allows for ventilation. And you should be able to tell which is the front. The reflective tapes. Which around. There we go, got the IVs tapes. So this must be the rear end. And getting this onto the Caravan is going to be fun. I've got reflective tapes at either end. So I'll come back to you when I'm ready to put it on the Caravan. Okay, I'm ready to get this sheet up. I'll put it on time lapse. I don't know how long it's going to take. It could take a while, so I'll do it in time lapse. So basically that's it. You know, a bit of trouble getting to the rear. I managed to zip this corner down, but the other side there's too much vegetation. And this time of year, all bloody berries are. You can see there's like blackberries, and there's a lot of vegetation. Too much to get to that corner, but it's better than nothing. So I'll just tie up the last few bits. Can only get 3 straps around this side, the ones in front of the wheel, but it'll do. Once I've buttoned all that up, we'll move on to the hitch cover. So it's time to fit the hitch cover. I might as well. So let's get this one off. It's quite a good one, but the cover comes with a matching hitch cover. Here's the cover of the Caravan. Take this out. Just opens out like so. Actually, it's quite a bit bigger than the original one. And have you noticed it's tapered, so it covers your jockey wheel as well. So tapered end, there we go, towards the front like that. That's brilliant. I like that. Covers everything. Covers the electrics. Covers the tow hitch. So, and it's got clips just like the front of the Caravan. And just clip it in, wrap it over, tighten the straps. One in the middle. So rinse and repeat. It goes. Metal under this frame. Pull that too, and that's the hitch cover fitted. It's probably something like that. It's not perfect, but the other one wasn't great. So that's the hitch cover fitted. That's the end of this video. I'm quite happy with this. It's just like the other cover, and it's the right size. So I'm glad I took the staff's advice. They obviously knew what size it fits what Caravan. So remember that basically the interior length. The interior length of your Caravan, add a bit more to allow for thickness of walls, and you should get the right size cover. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.